Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Okay, hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the XAU Breakout Scalper for MT5. This is a goal-focused system that deliberately avoids greed and martingale methods. So let's break down the claims and examine the backtest results. As you can see, the EA goes for 948 US dollars. And if I expand this, you see that on the MQ5 website, XAU Breakout Scalper is engineered as a strict anti-greed, anti-martingale trading engine for XAU USD. It combines two core models, a ZigZag Breakout Specialist and a SuperTrend Precision Scalper, into one unified system. The developer emphasizes transparent, logic-driven trading with asymmetric risk-to-reward profiles and capital protection suitable for evaluation environments. Users can choose between plug-and-play preset files optimized for different styles, combined zigzag only, super trend, conservative, or aggressive, or take full control through their own optimization process. Alright, so the EA includes extensive filters such as ADX, VWAP, triple MA cascade, higher time frame confirmation, and pre-trigger validation. Let's see all that here. So risks can be set via fixed slots, percentage of balance, or fixed money with ATR trading stops, dynamic drawdown modes, and session controls. As for the features marketed by the developer, it's basically what we've been saying. The key features include the dual strategy engine, ZigZag plus SuperTrend, complete risk control options, advanced filter suites, on-chart dashboard, quarterly free preset updates, and a detailed optimization masterclass for users who want to engineer their own settings. It is designed primarily for gold but can be adapted to other volatile instruments. The developer stresses process over promises and provides tools for traders to optimize their specific broker conditions rather than relying on a locked black box approach. Alright, so you have some screenshots on the developer site. You can see some results provided. Let's take a look at some of them. Okay, so you can see these results. For an initial deposit of $50,000, there was a total net profit of $42,272. The profit factor was 1.89. The max drawdown was 6.72%. And the recovery factor was 7.63. You can see they emphasize no greed, no martingale, strict risk control. We also have an equity curve. You can see how the equity curve looks. Pretty decent growth, barring the periods of drawdown. As you can see, overall, it just continues to trend upwards, though with volatility. So what actually happens when I compare this to my own backtests? Because I was opportune to put the EA through my personal backtests. So let's go over to MT5 and check out the results I got in my own personal testings. So as you can see, I used the recommended XAU USD pair on the M15 time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And looking at my backtest on a $10,000 initial deposit account, the equity curve is relatively flat, as you can see, with mild overall growth. You can see from the results that Net profit is modest, around $716. The profit factor sits near 1.04 and the drawdown is 9.23%. It's important to know that the history quality is reported as 0%, which means the modeling is incomplete and the results should be treated with extra caution. So this type of equity curve is actually more realistic than many exaggerated gold backtests, but the near break-even profit factor and incomplete history quality indicates that the specific settings and period tested did not produce a strong edge. Performance of breakout and SuperTrend systems on gold is highly dependent on volatility regimes, session timing, and exact filter combinations. The anti-grid and anti-martingale design is a clear positive for risk transparency. The availability of multiple presets and a full optimization guide is useful for traders who want control. However, the need for regular reoptimization and broker-specific tuning means this is not a pure set and forget system. All right, so let's go back to the website. Honestly, I think the features that matter most are the risk mode selection, the filter suites, and the willingness to test and update settings as market conditions change. The dual strategy approach aims for flexibility, but success still depends on proper configuration and realistic expectations. All right, as for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, gold breakout systems can suffer during ranging or low volatility periods. Incomplete history quality in testing reduces confidence in the results. Spreads, slippage, and execution on XAUUSD remain critical. In practice, start with the most conservative presets, verify your own broker with high quality data, and be prepared to re-optimize periodically, as past results never guarantee future performance. Alright, so overall, the XAU Breakout Scalper MT5 is a logic-driven goal system that prioritizes transparent risk control and avoids greed or martingale methods. The shared backtest shows modest results with incomplete modeling quality. Thorough independent testing and conservative risks are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.